Hey guys, so today we're gonna see, can you replace just one piston? Well, today we're gonna try. And what are we gonna put it on? Well, we're gonna put it on our Civic over here. So check her out. Already got her report. Oil pan's off. Ready to get it done today. So let's get to it. Welcome back, guys. So working on the car, decided, you know what? Probably should film it that way you guys can see and continue on this journey with Project Petunia. So as you can see, we got the old one out already. Now there's a big hole in that bad boy. Not too good. But hey, you don't know until you tear these things apart. But as you guys will see, we're gonna keep going down on this old girl and getting her well, tore down the rest of the way. And you see, we already got that one out. New one's in. You guys can see, there's the one we replaced. And yes, before you say anything, I know it's a used piston. So what do we got to lose? Engine was already garbage, didn't work, need to be rebuilt. So we're gonna see, can you get away with just doing one? Well, that's what we're gonna try. Well, I am trying. So you guys check it out. Look, already got the pan off, got everything down there. Getting on her. Oh, yeah, a little bit of moisture in here, but if you guys can see, and try one of those kits. This one, nah, I'll have to do it again. Didn't come out as well as it did. That'd be my fault, because I tried to put a second coat of that polyurethane stuff over it. Didn't really work, but oh well. We'll just go ahead and get another kit. Sand that off, jack out of the way, sand that off, and go to town with it again. So, because I didn't realize there's 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, well, there's two 1,000 grit pads, and then there's a 2,000 grit, and I just assumed without looking at the other one that it was a second 2,000 grit, but nope, it was a 3,000 grit. So make sure if you guys are going to use that kit, you guys do both, because, well, besides the moisture in there, if you look down and see how clean it came out, definitely go with the 3,000 grit on it too. The other headlight, we didn't do that, but oh well, it's a project car. So just for a little bit, run around town kind of a thing, and yeah, that's it. So we'll go ahead and go underneath and show you guys what we're working on right now.
Don't know the time I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive, I think you know. We're getting down, we're getting low. We're getting down, we're getting low. We're getting down, we're getting low. Don't know the time I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive.
guys, we're back. It's the next day, and getting back to work on the Civic here. So I already got the pan cleaned, silicone on her, got me ready to go. But yeah, these things are just glued on. Looked around, bought an entire gas kit. Maybe they make one, I don't know. But when I pulled it off the car, it was glued. So anyways, nice little thing. I put the high torque stuff, the gray. That's what I like. Each their own, they prefer it, but I seem to have pretty good luck with the gray. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing put on. So hopefully one step closer. But as you guys see, last night, real quick, we didn't get the head on and the intake. So just getting close, But we'll go ahead and go down underneath and slap that bad boy on, get it glued up. We're going to dump some oil in this thing, getting that much closer to getting her finished. We'll see if this actually replacing only one piston with the used one from the junkyard. We'll see if that's going to do any good or not. But anyways, we'll see you guys down below. Alrighty guys, so got that buttoned up, oil pan in, all the brakes back, shift linkage, everything. So bottom in, done. Put a stamp on it. So now, you know, it's getting dark, but we'll keep going for a little bit. Try to finish this up that we're going to today, but get close. So back to it. Welcome back, guys. So we're back on the little Civic again. Basically got everything finished up, so just topped off it with oil and everything. So that's all good. As you guys see, everything's back on. Power steering pump, alternator. I didn't put the new intake on her, everything like that. So the only thing we got left to do is put some coolant in her and hook up the battery. Then we're gonna see if it works. Fingers crossed, right? I'll be back after I put some water in it. Everything's ready. So let's well, let's start up, see if she runs. So remember, I got this thing, it wouldn't fire if you guys watch the other videos, so go back, watch those ones. But anyways, she's live. Here's a nice little moment of truth. Let's see if she's gonna fire. Fuel pump's going. That's good. All right. Ooh. It's running. Let's check it out and see. Oh, I got another issue. Look at that. Brake lights are on. Give it a switch. Don't know. We'll figure it out. It's got a short to where they're on. Oh well. Right? Let's see. Woo! Oil burning off. See how she does. And after that cover, you guys see that thing's broken down. I know it's bouncing around. Could be some stuff I spilled. Now look how he's dripping all over the ground. But anyway, so wondering, I call that a win. So only time will tell. Maybe it'll hold. But so if that answers your question, you can replace just one piston. Is it advisable? Probably not. But like I said, this engine was junk anyways. Worst thing we're gonna do is go and throw it away. So what did it cost to get a piston? I would have needed a head anyways. So went and threw a piston in it. It needs to be running. So till later.